Hey everyone, I'm Jackie and I'm the graphic designer here at Frontier Marketing. Today I'm going to talk about the psychology of color in marketing. Colors have been known to have a powerful psychological impact on people's behavior and decisions. Studies have shown that the vast majority of buyers say that they focus on visual appearance and even make their buying decisions based on the appearance of a product. Here's how to make the best impression by utilizing color psychology in your marketing. Check out this infographic. You can see how different colors evoke certain emotions in consumers. These brands have utilized the color emotions here to align with the values of their business and their target audience. Brighter colors can lead consumers to feel more energetic. McDonald's, for example, uses high-energy red and yellow in their marketing because it appeals to children, increases your appetite, and creates a sense of urgency. The color theory goes a bit further than just selecting the hue. By adjusting the value, which is the darkness or lightness of a color, you can create a calmer or more serious tone. Colors can make a design look bright and exciting or calm and professional. But no matter what you're trying to convey, simplicity is key. Too many colors can make your design look unorganized, so keep your color scheme to no more than 2 or 3 colors, not including neutrals like black and white. I hope you can use these tips on color psychology in your marketing, but if psychology and color wheels are just not your thing, Frontier Marketing is always here to help. Thanks for watching, and be sure to subscribe for more To the Frontier tips.